Your lower back feels like it has been jammed into a heavy vise after 8 hours of sitting at a desk. And suddenly, a flashy social media ad promises a miracle for a few bucks. It sounds like a dream come true. This specific triple fusion massager is making rounds online right now, claiming it can solve your deepest chronic pain in just 15 minutes a day. The core concept behind it is not actually a total fantasy. Using heat and vibration together is a tried and true method for relaxing tense muscles after a long day. When your back is screaming at you, a little warmth and some steady pulsing can absolutely make you feel better in the moment. That increased blood flow is real. That temporary relaxation is a physical fact. But we have to look much closer at what these marketing campaigns are actually promising to the public. They start throwing around big medical words like spinal restoration and sciatica cures. That is exactly where the reality starts to crumble under its own weight. No vibrating pillow or plastic support wedge can physically repair a damaged or herniated spinal disc. Your spine is a masterpiece of biological engineering, and it takes significantly more than a battery-operated gadget to change its actual physical structure. If you are dealing with genuine nerve issues or structural damage, a viral internet product is not going to be your medical savior. Many users find that it works just fine as a very basic massager, but the disappointment usually sets in when the advertised miracle does not happen. It is a classic case of over-promising to move units to desperate people. You are not buying a medical breakthrough here. You are buying a glorified heating pad with a small motor inside. There might be a place for a tool like that in your daily routine, but the price tag often does not match the actual build quality of the device. When you look at the materials used and the longevity of these massagers, they often fall way short compared to professional-grade equipment. Back pain is a deep, complicated issue rooted in posture, muscle imbalances, and sometimes serious underlying conditions. Buying a gadget based on a flashy 30-second video is a gamble that rarely pays off for long-term health. Some people do get lucky and find that it hits the perfect spot for their specific muscle tension. That is great for them. However, for the majority of folks dealing with real chronic discomfort, this is just another plastic item that will eventually end up gathering dust in a closet. We are all constantly looking for the quick fix. We want the simple shortcut to a pain-free life. But your body requires more effort than 15 minutes on a vibrating wedge. If you want real relief, you have to look at how you move and how you sit every single day. Relying on a device with exaggerated claims is a recipe for frustration and wasted money. It is not a total scam in the sense that it does not function, but it is certainly not the medical revolution the ads want you to believe in. Save your money for something with the build quality to actually last. Better options exist that do not need to lie about their capabilities to get you to click that buy button. Focus on the basics of movement and real professional advice instead of chasing the latest viral trend that sounds too good to be true. Because in this case, it definitely is.